Welcome. If you're looking to find your search history on the Facebook app from your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. It's easier than ever to track your past searches and manage them, so let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Facebook app or website on your PC, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner, where you'll see your profile picture. Click on your profile icon to open a menu. In the menu that appears, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This section contains all your account settings and options related to your activity on Facebook. After clicking it, you'll see more options. Choose Activity Log from the list. The Activity Log is a detailed record of everything you've done on Facebook, including posts you've interacted with, comments, and, importantly, your search history. On the left side of the Activity Log page, you'll find various categories. Scroll or look for the option labeled Your Search History, and click on it. Now you'll see a chronological list of all the searches you've made on Facebook, whether that's people, pages, groups, or anything else. This is a useful way to revisit search queries you might want to look at again, or just keep track of what you've been searching. If you want to clear your search history, Facebook makes that easy too. Just look for the Clear Searches button at the top right of the search history page and click it to remove your entire search history. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can view and manage your Facebook search history directly from your PC using the latest update. This simple process helps you stay organized and gives you control over your past Facebook activity. Thanks for watching.